question. What takes place 40 to 80 days after bud break? I was going to say, how are we doing with the answers coming in?
Okay, so we have one person so far, Steve, with, actually Jerry just got in there too, Veronica as well, and they all put in veraison.
Veraison is not 40 to 80 days after bud break. It is actually flowering. So flowers grow from the buds, and once it's fertilized, grapes grow from the flowers. So this transition is also called fruit set. But this is 40 to 80 days after bud break. So you guys were a little bit later in the growing process with veraison, but we're talking about flowering.
Well, a shout out to Tom. Tom got it right. He put out flowering before you revealed the answer, so congratulations, Tom.
Way to go, Tom. So this is, especially with Wine 201, there's a lot of going through and making sure, foundations are fully understood about the grape growing process. So let's move on to our next question. Which climate is best defined by their more temperate locations? These climates are also experience low continentality, but are characterized by dry summers and wet winters with low humidity. Are we talking about a continental climate, a maritime climate, or a Mediterranean climate? So which climate would best define this description?
Okay, answers coming in here. We have most folks putting it, or I would say all of the folks putting in Mediterranean as their answer.
Well, they all got it correct because Mediterranean is the correct answer. Great job, everyone. And definitely understanding the different climates that you're talking about and growing conditions is an important element. So let's move on to, what is MOG? M-O-G. Is it massive oak gathering? Is it many oaky groups? Is it material other than grapes, or is it mostly other grapes? What does MOG mean?
Okay, so many of you might be able to hear the leaf blower in the background. My landscaping company decided to come by for wine trivia as well, so apologies for that. But it looks like everyone is agreeing here on that MOG means material other than grapes.
That is correct. Material other than grapes is the correct answer. Now, the good part about being in Cleveland with, having just had 13 inches of snow is nobody's really using their leaf blower right now.
That is good news.